Hi kitty cats! Today I've got my Glossybox. Yay! So, first of all, remember to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that notifications button twice if you want notifications. Yay! As you can see, I'm wearing my pink kitty that you probably have already seen on Instagram. Yay! So here we go. What do we got in here? A wine shopper card, or wine voucher card to Naked Wines. Whatever. Get out the box. I really need to go through all those boxes. So. What do we got in here? Little thing. I have to open this up. Put it over here so I can see what I'm getting. All these things. So, first thing is Toka Montauk Candle, Salt, Air, and Cucumber. I don't think I've ever gotten a candle before. So that's different. It does smell like cucumber. It's very tiny. Such a tiny little candle. Must be good. Put it there for now. I've got a little bit of a new setup. I'm slowly but surely cleaning up my beauty room and reorganizing a little bit because I just had so many highlighters they didn't fit in the drawer anymore, so I needed to change some things because I used to have a drawer that was highlighter, blush, and bronzer all in one, and that was no longer good enough. The highlighters need a big drawer all to themselves, and now they do. I hope they're very happy living there. So what else do we got here? Here we go. Georgette Klinger Rose Clarifying Toner. Toner's nice. I guess I have to break open the seal. I am getting low on my... Oh, that smells like roses. Yes. Very, not like old lady rose. Do you know what I'm saying? Like grandma rose? It just smells like roses. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'm almost out of my Pixie Glow Tonic. I'm not almost out, but I've only got like a third of it left, so I'm gonna start using that once I'm done with the Glow Tonic, I guess. Tree Hut Skincare Hydrating Overnight Mask. Oh my god. I have so many overnight masks. I do like Tree Hut stuff though. Tree Hut stuff is really nice. So there's a seal on this. I'm wondering, Soothing Chamomile. You know what? I'll leave the seal on and put it aside for a giveaway sometime because I have so many overnight masks and you only need like a little dot of it, so put that one away for now. And what else do we got here? Sugar Lip Scrub. I already have this Sugar Lip Scrub. I think I got an Ipsy once. So I'm gonna set this aside as well because I already have one. So that can go in a giveaway sometime. What do we got left here? We've got some nail polish. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. That looks like a very pretty color. It's Victory Place nail polish. And is there a name to the color? It just says 801 on the bottom of it. I don't see a name of it here either. Nails Inc. Victory Place nail polish. I guess Victory Place is the name. Yeah, it's Nails Inc. London, and the name of it is Victory Place. It's pretty. It's very pink. I like it. Like a shimmery pink. And then we have the Invisibobble Scrunchie. So it's like a scrunchie. I do not use scrunchies. Okay, so this Glossybox was not the best one for me. I mean, there are nice things in here. It's just not... Like, I already have that lip scrub because I got it in an Ipsy bag. So that's... I mean, it's a nice lip scrub. I like it. I have it. I like it. So, it was even my favorites once. It's just that I already have it, so I'll put it in the giveaway. I mean, I could keep it for when that one's gone, but I already have some other lip scrubs to try out, so I think I would like to just like put it in a future giveaway. I think my favorite thing in this one is probably the nail polish. Yeah, the nail polish is really, really pretty. The candle's nice. It smells very fresh cucumber scent, which is really nice. Not really the time of the year for cucumber, but still nice. I might put it, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe over there somewhere in the beauty room for when I want just a little bit of scent. I don't really use scrunchies, so I'm gonna put this, like I said, in the giveaway. That to me is kind of lame. Honestly, a scrunchie, really, I find that kind of a lame thing to be in here. Everything else is nice. It's just not some, like, I don't need an overnight mask. I have so many of them. But Tree Hut is really nice. I like Tree Hut products. The toner's very nice scent to it, so we'll see how that works out. So, it's a Glossybox. But that's okay. They don't all have to be like fantastic. I mean, last month was so awesome that I don't really mind. But this one isn't as nice. Well, I mean, it's nice. It's just not what I needed. Because I don't want to say it's bad, because it's not bad per se. It's just not things that I needed. So, that's, you know, the way it is. So that is everything in that Glossybox, and I will talk to you all soon. Always remember to be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Bye-bye, kitty cats.